In modern manufacturing, optimizing and securing Wi-Fi is crucial. Facilities often juggle legacy equipment with advanced technology, creating unique challenges that demand innovative solutions. Outdated devices with minimal encryption capabilities share network space with modern systems, leading to potential security gaps. Each connection disruption not only affects productivity, but also opens doors for unauthorized access. The key to optimizing Wi-Fi lies in shifting focus from infrastructure to client-centric visibility. Implement sensors and agents that monitor the network from the production floor, not the IT closet. This approach uncovers issues invisible to traditional tools, like specific access point struggles or interference affecting certain frequencies. Manufacturing networks face rising cyber threats. The convergence of IT and operational technology networks creates vulnerabilities. Client-side monitoring identifies unauthorized devices, unusual behavior, and rogue access points, providing essential security visibility. Optimizing Wi-Fi doesn't require infrastructure overhaul. Deploy vendor-agnostic client-side monitoring solutions to validate network performance. Use AI-powered analytics to identify issues and trends, enabling targeted improvements without costly upgrades. By embracing client-side intelligence, manufacturing facilities enhance both performance and security, paving the way for innovation and efficient operations. Provision is an industry leader in Wi-Fi engineering, network optimization, and automation.